Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I want to get back more into law of attraction videos and just self-help motivational videos. They're my favorite and I live for them. So I definitely want to try to at least once a week get one up for you guys so that I can spread love and just, I love makeup. It's my passion and everything, but I really love like self-help books, stuff like that. And 99% of the time I don't even wear makeup, so that's why I'm coming on camera, no makeup on, just a fresh face. And I just want to show the other part of me as well, how to love yourself. I grew up not loving myself and just being very insecure, and I feel like most girls are, especially in their teenage years. And that can lead to a really destructive path. So my first thing for you guys is don't let doubt control your life. You are your own worst critic. We tear ourselves up so much, and half the things we think about ourselves don't even cross other people's minds. So, if you want to start school, start college, start a new job, start anything new, but you're too scared and you've been putting it off, just do it, because honestly, you're gonna feel so much better about yourself. You're gonna feel like you accomplished something. And so I just think you should always go for it, because the worst that can happen is you'll be told no, and then you just move on. So don't let doubt control your life. Don't let fear control your life, because you're gonna wake up one day and you're gonna miss all these opportunities that could have came your way, and you're gonna be like, why didn't I just do it? At the end of the day, nobody lives forever. You just want to take the opportunity while you can, because you don't want to be in your deathbed and say I wish I did that. So I try to live every day as if tomorrow is not going to happen. I always just try to put myself out there, do things that scare me. I think doing things that scare you every day is definitely very important, because it gives you a sense of pride when you accomplish something that you thought you couldn't. I want to be proud of myself every day. I want to do something that makes me say, good job, Ann. I try to write down 3 goals. No matter, some days they're bigger than others. Some days it's just getting myself out of bed and putting on a happy face because I'm just not in the mood, So I think you should always have something that at the end of the day you can go and lay down and say, you know what, today wasn't the best day, but I accomplished these 3 goals that I wanted to do. So I'm proud of myself, and tomorrow is going to be better. So I think it's always super important to just accomplish something every single day. And you can start small, and like I said, work your way up. So another thing that I think us to hate ourselves or dislike the person we are is settling all the time. Whether you're settling for something small, you're settling in a relationship, you're settling in a job, you're settling with the clothes that you're wearing that you don't like, but you're like, oh, whatever, and you don't feel good about yourself. No matter what it is, it could be something so stupid, but the more you settle, no matter how little it is, the more you're just gonna self-sabotage. You want to not settle, even for the small things, like with the food you're putting in your body. You want to lose weight, but then you're eating pizza. And I've done that so many times where I just self-sabotage. You just want to try to not settle for anything that's going to make you feel bad. You want to hold your body and your life and your mind at such a high standards. And I think people forget that. And I know there's been times I definitely forget that. And then I'm mad at myself, because I'm like, the only reason I feel crappy right now is because of the decision that I made. And I think it's really important, because when you start settling for small things, you'll definitely create this horrible domino effect where you'll just keep settling, and then the next thing you know, you dug yourself a 6-foot hole. So I definitely think it's important not to settle. Even if it exhausts you, there's going to come a point where that exhaustion fades away, and you're going to be like, it was so worth not settling. It was so worth just beating myself up every day and doing what I have to do to not settle, because at the end, you're gonna feel such a huge reward, and you're just gonna love the shit out of yourself. So I think that's really important. I used to settle all the time, and I would just be like, oh, it's fine, whatever, who cares? And then I realized that I wasn't making myself happy, and then I almost got really sad. And this was when I was younger. I wasn't sure what I was gonna do in my life. I didn't know. I just, when you're 18, you're almost so lost, because you're becoming an adult, but at the same time you still feel so young. And then I stopped settling, and I started making better choices, and it ultimately led me being so proud of myself. And now I'm so proud of where I come. I'm so proud of the road, the journey that it took to get where I'm at, and there was definitely blood, sweat, and tears, but that's what makes it so worth it. And in the end, you're just gonna be like, you know what, if I can conquer half the things I've been through, you can conquer anything. And I think it's so important to stop settling. So that's like my biggest tip for you guys. If you guys like these kind of videos, let me know. If you guys love Law of Attraction like I do, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon.